Hi everyone and welcome back. In this video, I'm going to show you how to make this paper lantern for the Eid celebration. It's sturdy, easy to assemble, and looks amazing, especially if you add in some string lights. Let's try to put inside this here. You can hide the switch in the middle. And now it's glowing. If you find this video helpful, I'd really appreciate if you could give this video a like and hit that subscribe button to join our crafty community. So, grab your card paper, download the templates below, and let's get creative, shall we? For this project, I've linked the 3 templates down in the description. Make 3 copies of this lantern pattern, and a copy for each of these. To keep the lantern sturdy and durable, I'm using a 200 GSM card paper. Now, grab your blade and carefully cut along the pattern. Be sure to use a cutting mat to keep your cut smooth and protect your workspace too. Then, remove the cutouts of the pattern. Repeat the same steps to all the 3 copies. Follow the outer lines to cut out the shape of the lantern. On each corner, create a 1 cm slit, just as shown. This will act as our locking point for the lantern base. Repeat the same steps to all the 3 lantern shapes. Now take the other patterns and start cutting out the inner design, just like what we did earlier. Make a slit of 1 cm to separate each panel on the top and bottom part. Repeat the same step for the last template. Fold the side flap and add glue to connect the 2 panels together. Then fold each side of the panel to take its shape. I decided to trim the extra flap here to avoid the bulk when connecting the edges together. Take the 3 lantern shape cutouts and fold it in half. Apply a thin line of glue along the center fold, then attach 1 lantern on it, leaving 2 cm at the bottom clear. That gap is for the tassel later on. Apply glue in the center line of these 2 connected lanterns. Remember to leave 2 cm clear at the bottom. To assemble the lantern, slide the slits of the panel into the trimmed corners of the cutouts. Make sure to secure the top and the bottom corners. This is what really gives the lantern its structure. on the flap and attach it behind the panel. Hold it for a few seconds until the glue sets. To make the tassel, grab a tissue wrapping paper or a crepe paper. This is 12 cm by 20 cm. Fold it in half and cut fringes on it. Attach the top part and roll the fringes together. Apply glue to secure it. Take a small piece of paper to wrap around the top part of the tassel. Then use a stick or a crafting needle to insert the string into the tassel. Then cut the string to your preferred length. Tie the end of the string to keep it secured. You can even add a bit of glue on it. Now carefully pull the bottom part and slot in the string in the middle part with added glue. Use a stick or a needle to push it in. Finally, grab a hole puncher. Create a hole on top by combining all the paper together. Insert the string and get ready to hang your lantern. And there you have it. Your very own DIY lantern is finished. If you like this DIY, please give this video a thumbs up and subscribe for more festive crafts. I'd love to see how yours turned out, so tag Happy Wobby in your photos or let me know in the comments below what color combination you chose. Thanks for watching and I'll see you next craft. Bye!